say it's the root of all evil. Others whisper that wishing for it is greedy, selfish, wrong. But is it really wrong to wish for money? Or is it simply human? Money is not just paper or coins. It's energy. It's a tool, a means to an end. It represents freedom, security, opportunity. Think about it. When you wish for money, what are you truly wishing for? Is it the paper itself? Or is it the life it can help you build? The dreams it can help you achieve? Money can buy comfort for your loved ones. It can fund education and open doors to knowledge. It can be shared with those in need, creating ripples of kindness in the world. Wishing for money isn't about greed. It's about hope. Hope for something better. Hope for stability in an uncertain world. Hope for the freedom to live without fear of tomorrow. Like seeds in the earth, money is simply potential. What matters is how you nurture it, how you use it to grow something meaningful. The Stoics teach us that wealth itself is neither good nor bad. It's neutral. What matters is how we use it and how we think about it. Wishing for money doesn't make you shallow or materialistic. It makes you human. But remember, wishing alone won't change your life. Action transforms wishes into reality. Discipline turns dreams into achievements. And gratitude reminds us that wealth isn't just measured in dollars. It's measured in moments, relationships, and purpose. If you've ever wished for money, don't feel ashamed. Don't let guilt hold you back from dreaming of a better life for yourself and others. Ask yourself, why do I wish for money? What will I do with it? How can I use it to create something beautiful? It's not wrong to wish for money. It's not wrong to dream of abundance. What matters is the intention behind your wish and the actions you take to honor it.